How to use LinkedIn to find a job. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use LinkedIn to find a job, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to use LinkedIn to find a job, all you have to do is basically go ahead and then first of all launch a LinkedIn application. After that, simply come to the jobs tab from the very bottom right of the screen, as you would be able to find here. And once you come to the jobs tab, you're gonna see this type of interface here. Now over here, what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and then select a job that you would like to apply for. And once you select a certain job that you would like to apply for, you can simply go ahead and then tap on the easy apply button here. And once you tap on the easy apply button, you should be able to enter your contact info, email address, country code, and then just tap the next option in order to be able to apply for those jobs. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically use LinkedIn to find a job. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.